What's up, YouTube and Slingshot fans everywhere? Hey, so I wasn't gonna videotape this mod because I mean there's so many videos about it already, but I also discovered that there's a serious design flaw in this mod. Anyhow, the mod I'm talking about is the license plate relocation kit made by Metricks. In their instructions, they want you to bolt it right here. Well, if you look at the shape of the belt cover, you'll see that it's just not gonna work. So you're gonna have to come up with some sort of modification of your own. So what I did is I came up with a rubber spacer. That's the right size, fits right in that slot there. And I can even space it out further with additional ones if I want. I'm gonna put a little Loctite on that bolt and put it in there and see how it works. So I put a little Loctite on here, dab will do you. Maybe I'll put a little bit more down the end down there. I'm gonna go ahead and feed the bolt through the plate frame, then the rubber spacer, and then into the slingshot. And tighten it up snug, and it should be good to go. And will actually work with the 2018 belt guard. Okay, maybe I'm a little on the anal side, I don't know. But which one of these would you rather hold down your wiring with? The one on the right, which was supplied by Metricks, or the one on the left, which was supplied by me? I mean, for just a couple more cents, they could do a much higher quality cable clamp. It would look a lot nicer. So guess what, Metricks? Throwing that one away. Gonna use mine. Okay, so I had to bring it back into the garage here because it started raining outside. And I finished up my taillight assembly. This relocation kit was from Metricks. There was a few things I didn't like about it. One of the reasons why I'm a little bit anal is because I love to build hot rods. And the quality of the work that you put into what you do shows. And if you use substandard parts, it shows. So I really didn't like their cable connections, so I used some of my own. They're much nicer looking, much more professional looking. And I used some Torx bolts that are actually the ones that come off the slingshot instead of the little hex bolt that they sent me in the washer. And back here, I put in a rubber spacer, which would allow the relocation mount to sit squarely. Because if you try to put that bolt in back there without it, it ends up crushing the plastic belt guard here, which I think is a poor oversight on their behalf. They really need to look at their designs a little bit better, because they can definitely be done better. Anyhow, there you have it. The Metricks license plate relocation kit. Clean up your rear end and put it down below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Ride safe.